Heraklion. 5,000 years of Minoan mystery, Venetian grandeur, and Cretan resilience. And you're still stuck squinting past someone else's shoulder at the museum case. Group tours that rush you past the facade disc in 90 seconds. One of history's great unsolved mysteries, reduced to a passing glance. Uvamai's Heraklion self-guided audio tour puts 9 of the city's most extraordinary sites entirely in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to you. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand before Koules Fortress and uncover its darkest secrets. Wander the Archaeological Museum's Minoan treasures, from the snake goddess to the undeciphered Phaistos disc. Discover how Agios Titos Church hid Christian relics for 3 centuries under Ottoman rule. Meet the 4 lions guarding Morosini Fountain and the hidden chambers beneath them. 9 stops. 1 unforgettable story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Heraklion, not just photograph it. $6. 9 audio guides. 5,000 years of history. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.